everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly's Bead Boutique. So I've been making and teaching how to make jewelry for a very long time. And one of the comments that I always hear is, you make it look so easy. Well, I think it is, and I want to show you just how easy it can be. So I'm going to take some simple parts and some simple techniques and put them together and teach you how to make your very own jewelry. If you want to see what I'm making today, come and join me. So to put together the quickest pair of earrings you've ever seen, the only tool I'm going to be needing today are my chain nose pliers. I'm also going to be using GS Hypo cement. You want to make sure that you're using the right glue in this project. You either want to use GS Hypo or E6000. You don't want to use any of the crystalline type of glues, like crazy glues, that sort of stuff, because they off-gas and they will cloud over your Swarovski crystals. So we have a couple beautiful 12 millimeter Swarovski Rivolis. We also have the bezel holders that they go into. We've got some ear wires, some snap-on bails, and some little decorative rings. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is place a little bit of glue inside my little bezel frames here. And I don't want to put too much because then it squishes all over the side. So I just put a little bit in there. I want to have enough, but I don't want to have too much. And then I just set them aside for a sec while I put the lid on, and that's the hardest part of this whole project. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little crystals and I'm just going to drop them straight down. I just want to make sure that they don't get any glue, so I find if you just drop them straight down, they will set up nicely. And sometimes I'll just take my fingers and just kind of push them down a little bit and hold them for about 10 seconds, and that just helps seat it inside there. I don't want to push too hard though, because if I have a little bit of excess glue in there, it will squish out over the side. So just kind of hold it for a sec. Okay, so now I am going to take one of my little snap-on bails. So now you can see that these have like a front to them and a back to them. So we're going to be making sure that we're aware of where the backs and the fronts are. And this one I'm going to place through my little decorative ring, and you might need to open it up a little bit. You can use your chain nose pliers, but you just want to make sure that you're not leaving any marks on them. So I'm just going to open that up a little bit, and I'm going to pop that little ring through there, and that ring's going to go up like that. And then I'm going to take my little Rivoli that I just put together, and then I'm just going to push this shut. So if you do have a pair of the nylon jaw pliers, that might work better so that you are guaranteed that you don't get any little marks on here. But I'm usually pretty good, but you can see that I have to hold on to like 3 things at one time. So I just am very, very careful, and I don't squish very hard. You just have to gently, gently push, because all you're trying to do is close that up so that it doesn't fall through there, and it's really soft so it goes in there easily. And then all I have to do is pop on a pair of ear wires, and we are done. These are super beautiful on. We get so many ladies wearing these in the store, and they're perfect for gifts, whether it's for Christmas or for a birthday, any old thing. So give these ones a try. I think you're going to love them. We've got lots of great colors available for the Swarovskis. So we're just going to pop that on. You might even be able to push that with your hands if you're strong enough, but I'm not this morning. So just get that on there and just give a little, it like literally is a tiny baby squish, and it's closed up really, really simply. So I'm just going to put on this other ear wire, open that up, pop that in there, and close that up. So there you go. There's our quick and easy Swarovski earrings. I love these earrings, and we have so many ladies making them in the store because they're super, super easy and so beautiful, and they make the perfect gift. These will be available in kit form. You just go to the description box below this video, and it'll have a link that takes you directly to our website. You'll be able to choose your own colors of the metal and the colors of the Swarovski Rivolis. We have lots of great colors to choose from. So why don't you leave me a comment and tell me which color is going to be your favorite. I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one.